How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's episode, we'll be covering 5.0 Resto's latest offering with their new 1979 to 2004 K-Member Nut Plate Kit. 5.0 Resto has been known for their problem-solving solutions. This is yet another prime example of a problematic part that commonly fails due to age or simple wear and tear. The factory K-Member is held in place in the rear with loosely installed nut plate that utilizes press-fit nuts inside of the body. This design is known for many different issues like corrosion or cross-threading due to the misalignment after multiple removals and installations over time. 5.0 Resto took their time in development to alleviate you on any of these issues down the road with this solution-based kit to ensure your K-Member is held in place the right way for years to come. This will ensure you trouble-free removal and installation due to its superior design. These nut plates will feature a solid heavy-duty steel construction and are finished in a corrosion-resistant black E-coat. 5.0 Resto provides zinc-coated 10.9 grade bolts for an additional peace of mind to secure your K-Member in place. Let's head over to our 93LX hatch here in the shop to show you how easy these are to install. Today we'll be showing this install on a factory K-Member, but these can be utilized on factory or any aftermarket K-Member options. Start off by lifting your vehicle via a lift or jacks and jack stands. We chose to remove both the front tires to give us a little bit more room to work. Support the rear of the K-Member with a pole jack or an additional jack stand. Locate the factory K-Member bolts. These will both be a 15mm. Loosen and remove both of these bolts. Now you can reach in on the top side and remove the factory nut plate. Take this time to clean any dirt or debris out of the K-Member area. Slide the new K-Member nut plate into place. Loosely tighten both of the K-Member bolts. Torque these to 90 pound-feet to secure them in place. Repeat these steps for the other side. Check over your work and you are all done. All right, everyone, this one is a super simple job to complete in your driveway. I would set aside roughly an hour from start to finish to complete this task. This one is a great way to refresh some of your old, outdated suspension components with an option that goes above and beyond what the factory intended. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and turn on notifications so you can be up to date with all of our new videos covering 1979 to present Mustang content. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.